Hi, I'm Cameron from Pallmann Floor Care, and today we're at the base of operation for Pallmann Floor Care in my office. And the floor's looking a bit dingy and dull, so we're going to give it a clean with the Pallmann Clean and Go kit. With some marks here where the coffee spilled and stuff like that in the traffic area. So we're going to open up the Clean and Go kit and use it to clean the floor. In the kit you'll get your dusting pad, your cleaner, the cleaning head, the microfiber pad, and also the handler now. So that's what you get in your kit. We're going to set it up now, and firstly we're going to dust the floor and then we're going to clean it. First part of the process, when we've got the mop set up, we need to get the duster on and give it a good dust to remove any debris from the floor. See that the floor is absolutely filthy just from dusting, so we're going to do this process again, and then we might find a cloth and a clean solution out. So we're going to use the wood floor cleaner in the spray bottle that's provided in here. It's Pallmann neutral cleaner, already diluted and ready to go. And I've got my microfiber mop on here, so all I'm going to do is spray this, get a light misting on the floor, and then a wash over with this. That's the grime that's just come off our wooden floor here in the office. I last cleaned that around about a month ago, so it definitely needs some TLC. Now with these microfiber cloths, you can just peel them back and put them in a wash so they're ready to go again.